Hi there FMPS. This week we're going to have a superhero theme for our PE lesson. So what you'll do is go onto your Google slide and it says, Hi FMPS. This week we'll be playing a superhero exercise themed snakes and ladders style game. Let's see if you can get to the end and save the day. Don't forget to complete the Google form and press turn it in once you're finished. That's a really important part because if you don't complete the Google form and you don't press turn it in, I won't know that you've completed the task this week and I won't be able to tick you off for that. What you're going to do is you're going to go to slide number 3 and it says superhero exercises. And I've given you 10 different superheroes, one super villain, some kryptonite and a wormhole. And each of these characters or symbols means a different thing on the game board. So if you land on the Flash, you have to do running on the spot. If you land on Superman, you have to do Superman back extensions. If you land on Spider-Man, you have to do Spidey crawls or Spidey push-ups. If you land on Captain America, you have to do shield lunges. If you land on Wonder Woman, you have to do arm circle lassos. If you land on Captain Marvel, you have to do takeoff jumps. Hulk smash is Hulk smash burpees. Black Widow is Black Widow kicks. Thor are hammer swings. Batman are Batman punches. If you land on a wormhole, you get to jump up to the next wormhole. If you land on kryptonite, you have to move back 5 spaces because that's Superman's weakness. And if you land on Thanos, he's a super villain and we know how tough he is, you'll have to move back 10 spaces. I've given you GIFs here to show you the exercises. If you're in grades prep to 2, you're going to do the exercise for 10 seconds before you move on and roll the dice again. If you're in grades 3 to 6, you're going to do the exercise for 20 seconds before you get to move the dice and roll again. This is what our game board is going to look like. We start off at 1 and we have to work our way all the way up to 100 like in snakes and ladders. And what we have over here is our characters. So I'm going to grab one character. I'll make it Captain America. And I click on him and I drag him to where I want him to go, which will be down here at the start. Your screen won't be as glitchy as mine because you won't be filming a Loom video. The next thing that I do is I will click on the dice. And by the way, you can play this game with more than one person because I've got 10 different characters there. The dice starts, I press pause, and whatever it stops on is how far I get to move. So that stopped on at 5, I get to take my character and move 5 spaces. So I grab Captain America and I go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and I've actually landed on Captain America as well. So let's see what the action is for Captain America. I go back to my screen and I say, there's Captain America, and he is going to be doing, or we're going to be doing Captain America lunges, or shield lunges. And if you're in the lower year levels, remember you're going to do it for 10 seconds before you get to roll again. And if you're in the upper year levels, you have to do it for 20 seconds before you get to roll again. Let's pretend I've done my shield lunges. I've obviously stood up and done them. I go back to my game board. I press play on the dice again. I press pause. I landed on 5 again. I'm having some pretty good rolls. I grab my Captain America. Click on him. Drag him 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, lucky I didn't land on the kryptonite. I'd have to go back 5 spaces. 5. I landed on Wonder Woman. And I remember from before that Wonder Woman, arm circles. It looks a bit funny on the little screen there. But remember, 10 seconds if you're younger, so prep to 2. 20 seconds if you're grades 3 to 6. See if you can work your way all the way up the board. Remember, if you land on a wormhole, you get to jump up to the next wormhole. If you land on Thanos, go back 10 spaces. And let's see how many rolls it takes you to get to the end. So maybe keep a count of that, how many rolls it takes you to save the day. When you're finished, go to the final slide and it says save the day by completing your Google form. Click on that link right there. It will take you to this week's Google form. And don't forget, up in this right-hand corner here, when you finish the Google form, you'll have a submit or turn it in button. Press that as well. I hope you have fun, everyone. Bye.